I'm clearing out my closet right now to make room. Well, I was gonna go thrift shopping today and I was like, I should get rid of stuff before I buy new clothes. So I figured I'd vlog it for you guys. Like, I'm just gonna try on a bunch of different outfits and I guess like decide if I want to keep it or if I want to donate it or sell it or something like that. So let's get going. So I bought this sweater at Brandy Melville and I don't remember why I bought it. I mean, I guess it looks nice on the body. That's probably why I bought it, but like nothing really that special about it. It doesn't blow my hair. I don't know, I guess it's cute. It'll be good for like a lazy day outfit or something. So I think I might just keep this one. And my mom is actually doing a cleanup or like a clean out of her closet too. This is not everything that she owns, by the way. She owns way more than I do. I think it's time for this one to go. I've always been like so on and off with this sweater because I really like the like cable knit detailing on the front, but like the fit itself is just so awkward. I don't know, like the collar is just so weird and like it's time for it to go. I feel like I can find a better, similar one at a thrift store that's gonna fit better than this. Okay, so my mom tried on this sweater. I think it looks better on her than it does on me. Okay, yes ma'am! Yes ma'am! Alright, this is another sweater that like I have a love-hate relationship with. This is from H&M. It's from like their sustainable line, so it was made out of recycled cotton and I feel like that's why I bought it. I think the sweater itself is really cute because it has like all the holes in it. The only thing that I hate about this sweater every time I try it on is the neckline. I'm not a huge fan of like boat necklines because they don't really do anything for the body. Like, I feel like if this was a mock neck, like if it went all the way up here, it would have been a way better style. I like the material as well. This neckline is just killing me every time I try it on. It just looks weird.
Getting rid of stuff, you gotta look at
the material.
Before you get rid of it, look at the material first.
Yeah.
Because if it's good, you can always like stitch that.
Or do something with it. Yeah, I just don't want to get rid of it because it's cotton. I got this sweater at Banana Republic. It's wool, so I like the fabric, like it feels really great, but it's such a traditional, it's so traditional of style. It just, I don't know. I might sell this one actually. This isn't really doing anything for me. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. My favorite type of sweaters are sweaters that are like ribbed and also sweaters like turtleneck sweaters. I think they look so good on my body type. So I bought this sweater years ago, like literally maybe like the year after I graduated high school. I can tell why I bought it because I like how like loose fitting and slouchy it is. The only thing is this boat neck. I mean, was this a really popular style or something back then? Because I don't know why all of my sweaters have that. It would look way better as like a mock neck. You know what I'm saying? Like this would look way better. I'll put it in my maybe pile. So this is another sweater. I don't know why I bought this. I think I bought it because of the color. On camera, for some reason, it looks like a mustard yellow, or it looks like a green yellow. Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah, this is a lot more accurately representative of this color. But again, it's this boat neckline that is really killing me. I think because I have such a skinny neck, the fabric needs to be closer to my actual neck for it to look nice. I think I'm just gonna sell it because I'm not in love with it, so. This sweater I really like. I think it's super cute, but the color just ain't it. This will go in my maybe pile. Okay, so I bought this at PacSun last year and I really like it. I love the turtleneck. I look how like comfy it looks and like, you know what I'm saying? It's very, very warm and I like how it's styled with this black leather skirt. And then I also found this jacket in my closet. I almost forgot that I had this. It's from Guess and I think it just looks super cute styled on top with a skirt on, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I really love this. This is another one of my faves, my all-time faves. It's from Zara. It's super cute. I think I bought it like 3 years ago. I like how it has like white and black mixed threads. It's really intricate looking to the eye, especially on camera. Like, this looks fantastic. But it's also a turtleneck, which is wonderful. The only thing is that there's a huge hole back here because I've worn it so many times. But I'm gonna have my mom fix it. This sweater is all right. I think I bought it because I'm a huge fan of like varsity looking attire. Like, I love like collegiate, varsity, like academia style clothing. Like, I love college sweatshirts. I love like varsity sweaters, souvenir jackets and things like that. I love that whole aesthetic. I wear it all the time. So I'm pretty sure that's the reason why I bought this, but like the sweater itself is not cute. We have this stupid boat neck neckline. Once again, it's not even made well. Like, the material is very bad, and this also, there's like a lot of lint that gets caught in the H. I'll probably just donate it because this is not it. This ain't it. I bought this at Six Flags when I was in high school. This is an extra small, but it's way too small on me. As you can see, I barely even used it. Like, it looks in pristine condition. So I feel like a lot of people are Batman fans, so I'll probably sell this one, but it is just way too small on my body. This was actually sent to me by a brand called MF People. It's nothing too exciting, but it is very, very comfortable. It has great fabric, and it's supposed to be loungewear anyway, so I'm just gonna keep it. I did a job for Tommy Hilfiger like 2 years ago or something like that. Maybe it was last year, I don't remember. But they gave this to me. This is what I was wearing for the job, but it's like too big. Like, if it was like this, maybe we could do something about it, you know what I'm saying? But like, it is so shapeless. This is a large, actually. This isn't even really my size. So I feel like if it was, you know what I'm saying, we could be working with some. I might get it altered just because I really do like this sweater. So I'll probably just get it altered. All right, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. The only reason why I bought this is because I thought this was really cool. Like, it's so unique and different. But the material of this is horrendous. I think this is like 100% polyester or something. Like, it's not, it doesn't feel good to wear. But I guess it looks cute. You know what I'm saying? I probably will keep it. So I actually thrifted this sweater. It's one of my favorite sweaters because it's from the 80s and it has like that varsity kind of style, which I love. And I was asking my mom, because she's the 80s expert here, how you're supposed to style this collar because it's like kind of awkward. But yeah, explain it.
It's like this, but this one, because that's why it's wide like this, is when it gets too cold, you cover your mouth and your nose and your mouth, so you know.
And you're supposed to wear a jacket on top.
And then you're gonna wear a jacket around it, so it's gonna hold it. So if it's not really that cold, you can just do it like that.
Like that. See, the thing with my neck is that it's so skinny, so like sometimes it looks awkward, but like, I love the 80s, so I am definitely going to keep this. And it's Adidas. I recently got this cardigan from Hollister and I love it because it's cropped. If you have a short torso like me, you'll really benefit from items that are cropped. I really like this one. I think it falls off the body very nicely, and yeah, it just looks wonderful, and I will definitely be keeping this. So my mom actually gave this to me because I asked for it.
I was gonna say, no, you took it.
No, but it has like varsity stripes on here, and it's also like one of those like collegiate style cardigans, and you guys know how much I love stuff like this. But one, it's at a like really awkward length. I feel like if either I was taller, it would have looked better, or if I was shorter, it would have looked better. But on me, since I'm like around 5'6", that's like a pretty average height, I feel like it just, I don't know, it looks awkward. I don't know. It doesn't do anything for my body shape. So I think I'm just gonna give this back. So my mom just gave this to me to try on because this is really hers. And I really like this one. So you see how this cardigan is like longer than the other one? I feel like that's the length that it should be for my height, or like for my body type. It looks light and nice, and this is probably better for LA weather anyway.
Yeah, it's already big, so I know that it's big and new, but I like it because I was gonna bring this for the airport.
Yeah, it's better on you because it's too big on me. The shoulders, yeah. So this is my beloved Kenzo sweatshirt. So when I was in high school, I remember Louis Tomlinson's girlfriend, Eleanor, had a Kenzo sweater. And I actually really liked her style back then. Like I followed like all the Eleanor style Tumblr blogs. Like I actually was a huge fan of her personal style. I remember she wore like a Kenzo sweatshirt and I looked online and it was like so expensive. But last year I was walking through Nordstrom and I found this Kenzo sweater. This is actually a men's sweater. I found it in the men's section because I shop in the men's section all the time. But I saw this and I really loved the embroidery on it. And I've been wanting a Kenzo sweater since I was in high school. And I saw this one and I really, really liked it. It's such a cool design. And now I do have the money for it, so I bought it. But the cool thing that I like about Kenzo sweaters is that the design's actually embroidered into the sweater, like it's not just a patch that's sewn onto it, you know what I'm saying? So I love this Kenzo sweatshirt and I'm never getting rid of it. You best believe. I thrifted this Puma sweater. I'm not a huge fan of the colors. Actually, I actually kind of like it because it kind of matches my skin tone. It is like a velour kind of like half zip sweater. I'm a huge fan of it and I'm not getting rid of it. Now, this is just a regular zip up hoodie. This is a basic. Like this is a basic that everyone should have in their wardrobe just to like throw on. Super simple and it keeps you warm and it has a hood if you need it and I have to keep it. So I originally bought this for like New Year's or like, I don't know. I just thought it was really cute. I love sweater dresses. And I was gonna wear this with like high-waisted booties or high-waisted boots. I was gonna wear these with like thigh-high boots, but it still has a tag on it. I haven't worn it yet. Maybe I will eventually wear it. I think I might keep it because I just think it's super cute. The only thing is that it is so uncomfortable because you can feel the sequins on the inside, so I would definitely have to wear like a long sleeve undershirt or something because it's so uncomfortable. It is a new day and that's why my nails are different, but basically these are all of the sweaters that I'm keeping, which is a really big difference from before because they used to go all the way like over here and now it's just like one stack. I mean, really, I could just put this up here, but really it's just like one stack. And then these are all of the sweatshirts that I'm keeping. It may seem like it's a lot, but for my style personally, I just really love wearing sweatshirts. Like I wear them all the time. So it honestly is not that shocking that I'm keeping this many sweatshirts. If there's anything that I learned from this experience, it's that I really don't like boat neck necklines. So the next time I go shopping, I'm probably gonna like keep that in mind because I have bought so many in the past that I didn't really end up liking. So it's gonna be good to know, like when I go fall shopping this season, it's really good to go in with that mindset, knowing that I will not purchase boat neck necklines because I know it doesn't look good on me. So yeah, that's what I learned from this experience. On next week's episode, or I don't know if it'll be next week, next time I will either do all of my tops or I will do my jackets. I haven't really decided, or do I want to do my bottoms? I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but stay tuned for the next episode.